through, Mr. Scott. You make a mistake by 5 inches and you're over the top of somebody. Well, these open-wheel cars, and you can see the team owner, Roger Penske, disappointed on that, calling the race for A.J. Allmendinger. Remember, this is Roger's hometown and his race here at Dallavilla. And A.J., this supposedly is the last race that they had programmed for him, so this really isn't the greatest way to end his race in Detroit. Especially after coming off a very strong 7th place run last week at Indianapolis, and had it not been for his seatbelts coming loose, he would have been in the mix. He was such a shot to win, but let's watch a replay here. A lot of jostling going on. You can see that he's just looking to make a move going on the inside of Scott Dixon, and there just was not enough room between him and Justin Wilson. Let's watch this one more time. On board with James Hinchcliffe. Watch how narrow the track is up here. And as a driver like James, you're hoping that you don't run over anything that's going to puncture a tire, and you've gotten through that. Dixon is going to have to come in to change his rear wing. It looked like he had some contact. Oh, they're aggressive. Look at the way they bump over the curbs there. We watch them come through. There's been a failure. Oh, right there on Shane Duffy's car. That is huge. That is a massive crash. It's not ideal for him. I think he's probably taken a little bit too much curb and something the rear of the car's failed. And wheels bouncing down the track. Look at that tire. Let's have a look here as the car comes through out of turn 3. There, right there, you can see the right rear upright fail. The car tips up and then bang, straight into the wall. Very, very lucky to walk out of that one. You can see he puts his hand up. That's great news for the young Queenslander. But boy, oh boy, you never ever want to see an accident like this. This is a view from Trent Harrison. You can see the car sideways and then hard into the wall, going backwards at quite a speed. He probably hit the wall about 150 kilometers an hour, so hopefully he's okay, and now we'll be on a safe car for a few laps. The lap line's been pretty clean for us. The turn 1 came. We've got a car to the left. Massive airs, broken something in the back of the car, and he can't stop it, and he's hard into the wall. Hopefully he's okay, but that's a big crash, and we've got another car stopped up there at turn 3 as well. And this is definitely going to bring out a safety car. We can see rain is moving the car, so that's very good. That's a big crash, and that car is heavily damaged. Oh, and that's our race leader, Cameron Waters, as well, getting out of the car with a huge amount of damage. As we head back for the full race restart, the event will be held in 2 parts. A good start there from Aaron Morris again. Aaron Gobert getting plenty of air underneath the front wheel in second. No jump starts by the looks of this time. Everybody behaved themselves.
And of course, oh my goodness me, wow, that's about 4 guys down in high-speed stuff too. And amazingly, 3 at least of them getting up.
Wow, that is disappointment plus.
And there's a right shoulder.
And what happened there? One of the riders just getting down a little bit too close. Almost looked like he lost the front end by touching the back of another rider. And then it was just the ever-popular domino effect.
Yeah, there were 3 innocent guys in that one. And you can see there 92 is one of them. But, gee, that'll catch your attention. They'll be up in 4th gear, hammering hard with the throttles absolutely flat. Strap guys disappointed to be out as well as pleased. And now heading down towards Duffers Dip. DeCosta moves to the outside, trying to get past Jordan Wise. Oh, he's happy, yeah, he's off. DeCosta's off, big time into the barrier. And also off is Jordan Wise, the car that he hit. But there is DeCosta. Oh, car's upside down. Huge amount of damage to the back end. He's moving around the cockpit. That's a great sign. Look at it again. He braked too late. He didn't allow for the fact that Wise was already on the brakes. He rode over the back and slammed into the barrier. Well, he's had some big accidents this year. He leapfrogged another car at Montello. He rolled the car at Brands Hatch. And poor Felix DeCosta's had a pretty traumatic season.
Das war auch der letzte Aufruf, bevor es dann eine schwarze Flagge gegeben hätte. Uwe, vielen Dank.
Ja, hier haben wir jetzt also auch die.
Das ist die Auflösung.
Und da geht der heftige Abflug hier.
Oh, das ist klar.
Klar, ich glaube, das war ganz stark. Die Ausgangsparabolik. Testing for the redesigned cars at Daytona, Junior bumps Marcus Ambrose, who gets loose into the wall. The result, a 12-car pileup. Jeff Gordon, Casey King, Carl Edwards, Brad Keselowski, to name a few. Thankfully, the hammer not involved. No one injured. Junior asked about the wreck afterwards. We were going around 1 and 2. I thought Marcus was backing up to me, like he was laying off the leader a little bit and looking to get around on the back straightaway. And we got off the 2 and was trying to push him a little bit. Had a hard time getting our bumpers kind of lining up. And I was kind of wheelbarrowing him around a little bit. Definitely think it's a consequence of the new shape and lack of downforce. The car's very light and doesn't take much. Cars are starting to get pretty aggressive and doing a little bit of pushing, and I just don't think you can do that with this car. I might be the guy that makes that mistake the next time, so I can't really be mad about it. But it's unfortunate there's torn up cars. But let's be honest, it's January. We got another month and a half to build them right. Get back up to 7th position. So here we go. The front runners maintaining their positions. Oh, that's a huge crash. Car 77 Rayner. That's a big crash. You just didn't quite see that, whether he got tagged by another car. You go into the braking area there, turn hard left into the wall. Hopefully he's okay.
See him moving.
Yeah, he's moving around.
There, right, is a good sign.
That's big. Wouldn't be surprised to see the safety car because of that.
That'll happen on brakes. You get a wheel.
Yeah, not sure. Oh, he's got a little bit of a tap from behind.
Oh, that was a big hit head on.
That's done a lot of damage to the front of the chassis there. You can see the chassis is quite badly bent. Hopefully his feet are okay. Very compact in the front of those cars. Yeah, he didn't lose the nose box. He only lost the. Was that the nose box? It is actually. Yeah, that's
He goes straight in head on. See his head, the impact there.
So the actual nose box structure was lost, and there's really not much. There's only the front bulkhead really.
Safety car lights are still on, so we'll have another lap behind the safety car before we can get things going. And we will have 8 laps to go once we resume the race. And we've already had 4 laps.
So he comes out into 5th place.
Team China. Down into the first corner, just understeering out.
Probably he took the curve. Oh, he lost the wing.
Oh, my goodness. And then he's a passenger, because as you can see quite clearly, Andy, the front wheels are nowhere near the ground.
That's pretty strange. He lost the wing going out of the corner.
Stationary yellows there. Does that mean they're going to leave the car there for the rest of the race? Craig Dolby out front. This is where you need to be really on the